Upashaka, unwanted weeds. How do we recognize these? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu warned about unwanted weeds growing at this, in the proximity to, and can strangle the desired plant of devotional service. How do we recognize them? One thing is by the description. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he mentions some of them. Nishidacha, Kutinati, Jibe Hingshan, Labh Puja Pratishtadi Jato Upashaka Gon. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave some examples. You can read this section in Caitanya-caritamrta with the purports. They're very, very important for our spiritual advancement. And also very important for our spiritual advancement is the long purport in the section of Caitanya-caritamrta of the cleaning the Gundicha temple. Long section about how we have to clean out all the dirt, and then we have to, after cleaning out all the dirt, we have to go back and look for all the fine little pieces, all the little bits and pieces which we might not notice. So how can we recognize? One thing is by the description, and there are descriptions in devotion. There's so many warnings about the upashaka. They may not be called that, or the anarthas within our hearts, which can take many varied forms, but they are under various headings. Famously, Labh, Kama, Krodha, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. These are very famous, the 6 enemies within the heart. Lust, greed, anger, illusion, pride, and envy. But there are so many others. Misconceptions, sahajya tendencies, mayavad tendencies. There are so many asat trishna, for example, is one. Desiring things, thirst for things which are pratikul. They are detrimental to our devotional advancement. Very helpful, we can find the songs of Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his series Sharanagati, in which he discusses, if we want to know all the things we shouldn't be doing, then we can find in the section under the what is pratikul, what is a series of songs in which he discusses those tendencies which are detrimental to our devotional service. Also in Kalyan Kalpataru, Bhaktivinoda Thakur gives many songs discussing various tendencies which we can have which are detrimental to our devotional service. He discusses them in many songs. So we can understand by this, and also that we have association of devotees and Guru who can recognize even if we don't recognize. We may not recognize, but Guru may recognize. But it may be that even then, that the Guru doesn't directly take it up with it. May or may not. It may engage us in devotional service to help purify us. Or may even engage us in such a way without pointing it out, but engage us in such a way that we have to come face to face with that, with our anarthas. Distributing books can be very helpful. We have to develop the qualities of Trinada Pisena Sunichena, Torari Vasahishnana, Amanina Manadena, and Kirtaniya Sadahari. We have to develop all of that. But even then, in distributing books, you can become puffed up and think, I'm doing it. And as soon as we start to think, I'm doing it, then we can't distribute any more books. It's a good connection with Krishna.